Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to work on the refrigerator section. I left this till the end only because I was looking for the right size refrigerator, and we found it finally. So I want to show you what I'm doing over here. The plywood here in the face here was so old it was starting to peel, so I peeled off the top layer and I'm going to put a new piece on here. And the back section also, I had to take that out. It was just from age, just cracked. It was old. I'm gonna put a new piece on here so it looks nice and clean. And then I got to figure out how to brace it in there, and also how to keep the doors from opening while we're driving. Bring the refrigerator in. I wanted to make sure this outlet was working. That's one thing I didn't test. I plugged it in. It does work, but when I checked this light, I was not getting any power to it. And then I checked this outlet in here and I wasn't getting any power to it. So what I did, I went on YouTube and figured out how to connect a GFI outlet. Come to find out, the wires were backwards. So now it's hot, now it's hot. Now that that's correct, I went up here and now that's hot. So now I have lights. So good old YouTube. So I'm pretty excited about it. Now we can continue replacing these lights and installing the refrigerator. There's 2 pieces of plywood here. I clamped it down and I was able to use my hole saw and cut the perfect hole that it's needed for this new cap here, so my electrical can go through here. So now that this cap is in place, I can put my electrical through here. Another project done. Okay, so here's the refrigerator that we chose. I'm going to put it in the opening there and see what needs to be done to hold it in place. So as you can see, the opening is a lot bigger. I'm going to add some wood here to close that gap. I'll be doing the same thing to the sides. And before I do that, I'm going to turn the doors around because I want it to open this way, so that's where our kitchen is going to be. So I remove this cover here, and you got to remove these 2 little caps, and then just switch this plate over to this side. So all we're doing is popping this bracket out, putting it on the other side, and it'll swing the door the opposite direction. Well, now that I changed the doors, now it's going to open this way. So as we're here in the kitchen, open it this way, get our stuff, and we'll be out of the way. So that's good. Now, again, I have a big opening on both sides, so I'm going to center it. I'm going to put a new brace over here, and then I can put the new piece of plywood over the top, and it'll be a nice tight fit. And I'm also going to screw this in from the back on the frame on the lower part, and put a brace somewhere in the middle over here, so that'll keep it from rocking and coming out. Then I have to figure out how to keep these doors from opening as we're pulling the trailer down the road. So actually, I'll figure it out. All right, let's take a look at the inside of the area where the fridge is going to go. I went ahead and marked, I don't know if you can see right here, and on this side, so it's pencil marks. This is where these blocks are going to go. And that's going to keep the refrigerator from going back to side. And then I'm going to put a brace from here to this side, and that's going to rest on top of the fridge. That'll keep it from going forward. Okay, so this is the back side of the refrigerator. You can see the bracing right here, and also in this corner, so that's going to keep it from going from side to side. And I'm going to put a couple of screws right to this hole and probably put a new hole in here somewhere. That'll keep that from moving back and forth. Okay, so the refrigerator is in place. I can open it nice and smooth. What I am going to do is probably take the, I don't know if you can see from there, but there's some trim at the bottom. Take it off, put a nice piece of plywood, thin plywood here. Okay, so I did a lot of stuff without recording. I got busy and I just forgot to record. But I put this plywood around the refrigerator. I don't know if you can see from there, but I enclosed this opening here, so I'm making a little cubby. And what I'm going to do is probably put some rails on the front here. And this is probably going to be used for probably like a magazine rack or something of that nature. I'll be adding the trim. There's also going to be some trim around the refrigerator, which is going to finish it off. So I don't know if you can see it from there, but you get the idea. It's going to have trim this way, all the way around. And it's going to look pretty nice. Once I put this corner molding, it's going to give it a better look. It's not crazy molding, but once it's painted, it's going to look nice. At least that's what I think. So yesterday I left off with putting this molding here around the refrigerator. I didn't put the corner molding only because originally my wife had decided that she wanted wallpaper, but she changed her mind. She's just going to paint it, so that means I can put this corner piece on here. So what I did is I notched this piece out. I just got a sample piece of wood here. It's 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, which is the thickness of the countertop. So I notched it out here so this molding can go around it. I know the butcher block's going to stick out about another, probably like about 1/2 inch past this corner. So I notched it out and now it's ready to be stapled. So now that this molding's on here, the refrigerator section is going to look nicer. Like I said, this is where my countertop's going to stick out probably like 1 inch past the cabinet. I'll be able to hide a little defect here with a little caulking. And now I'm going to put the corner molding, a few other moldings, and I should be done with this task. And then I'll go on to sanding the bed area. Let me show you really quick. So when I put in the slats, I did not sand the edges here, so they're pretty sharp. I will be sanding it so it's a smooth edge, and I'll do the same thing to this side. I know it's a mess, but this is about to be cleaned up because we're getting the cushions made, and we're about to get this painted, and then you'll see the final look. So we're almost there, but that's going to be the end of this video. And here's the refrigerator section. It's looking pretty good. So thank you for watching and see you on the next one. There we are. There we have it. Adios.